Hello guys, welcome to the first video tutorial on C programming for beginners. Now the first question which may come into your mind is why you should bother about learning C or why you should care about learning C. The simple answer is C is the most popular language in modern times. So you may know or you may not know that C is the most commonly used programming language. For writing operating system, in fact, the first operating system which was written is written in C, which was Unix. And in the later years of C, the Windows operating system and Mac OS or Linux operating system, all written in C. Now in modern days, not all, but most of the machines are programmed using C. For example, microcontroller or microprocessor, all are programmed using C. So if you are a beginner and you don't have any programming knowledge earlier, C is the best, the best language to learn. C is because you can say mother of all the languages. Even most of the other languages are written in C. For example, PHP, Perl or Python are all written in C language. So if you know the C language, it may be easier for you to understand other languages if you have basic understanding of the C language. Now once this introduction is over, the second most important thing what you need to know is for programming C, the basic two things are, the first one is editor. Editor helps you to write your code, right? And second thing is called a compiler. A compiler is a small program, or you can say a small tool which helps you to convert your program. The compiler helps you to convert it to the machine language because the computer does not understand the C program mutual right. The C program is just the interface or which you will write. It's easier to understand and you know programming. But your computer basically just understands zeros and ones and it is called as machine language. So the compiler will convert your program into machine language which is readable by your computer and it can execute these things. For your program, you require two important things. They can be obtained for free in various different ways. There are IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which helps you to write your code. I'm going to show you how you can install this IDE, which is free to use. Let's see how to install this IDE. First of all, you just open your favorite browser and just search for CodeBlocks. The first link you will see here, not this, but only the CodeBlocks. So just search for CodeBlocks. And the first link here you will find is www.codeblocks.org. This is the website which hosts the programs called CodeBlocks and its IDE. So you can see open source, cross-platform for C++, C, Fortran. In this IDE, all three types are included, and this is why I am recommending this to you all. CodeBlocks is mainly used because it's cross-platform. That means you can get this on Windows, Mac OS or Linux operating systems, and it's open source so you can get it for free, right? Now about how to download this, you can just click this downloads button here or the download button here. I will just click this download button here and there are some options which you can download. There is option download, binary release, download or retrieve source code from subversion SVN. What we are interested in right now is this one, download the binary release. Just click this link and in here you will find it, a few options. Because I will be showing these tutorials in Windows, I will install this version, Windows 2000/XP/Vista 7 or 8. Just click this link and then you will see these three options to install. One is only the CodeBlocks, which is the IDE which will help you to write your code. The second link will also provide you the compiler also. So just search the link which has MinGW, which is here the center link, CodeBlocks 13. And when at the time of making this video, CodeBlock 13 is the newest version, so I'm just recommending this. Just search for this version, MinGW, which will help you to compile your program as I have said so. It includes your compiler and editor both. So we want this version, right? Well, so just click this one link, or I'm going to click this one link from sourceforge.net link, and then it will be downloaded in few seconds and download will be completed in few minutes because it's not such a big file. It's 97 MB, but it's going to take a while. So now this download is complete. We are going to install this code block in our Windows operating system. I'm going to just click the executable which I have downloaded, and then the installment will start. Here it says that welcome to setup. Now I'm just going to click next, and you can just read the agreement if you want and agree. Just click I agree, and so did I. Next, this is the location where the CodeBlocks will be installed. Just leave it as default. Click install, and the installation is going to start. It will not take much time. As you can see on the screen, it is getting downloaded or installed. It is getting installed really fast, and here it is installed now. CodeBlocks icon here, which you can click to open CodeBlocks IDE, and you can see it's installing really fast, so I don't think it is going to consume much of the time. CodeBlocks IDE, these type of IDE you can use for programming C++ or Fortran also. So in this way it is really good. If you all do not possess Windows operating system, you can also download this IDE on your Linux or also on Mac OS. Also, it is available for all these three major operating systems. Here now it says that the installation is done. So now I think we want to run the CodeBlocks, right? Yes, I want to run it. So here we run CodeBlocks. It says something, and I am just going to click OK. And here the installation is complete. So I am going to click the next button here. I will click finish, and you can see here CodeBlocks currently is not the default application for C and C++. Do you want to make it as a default one? If you wish, you can. If you want to do so, make it as default, or you can just leave it as it is. I will just close it for now, as I do not wish to make it the default one, but in this way you can install it. Now, in the next video, I will show you how you can create your first C program using this CodeBlocks. Stay tuned.